going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new women's Nike Dunk Low SE Patchwork. Let's get into it. First, you got your same normal Nike Dunk box, it's just red with the white Nike on the top. You got your white Nike on the side, same on this side, but then we're gonna go to the front of the box and it reads Women Nike Dunk Low SE, and the colorway is white, light curry, and washed teal. Let's get into the box. We're gonna open up the inside, looks the same as normal. You got your same normal cream tissue paper on the inside of the box. Normal stamp right here, let you know Nike stamp of approval up here. And then that's pretty much it for the box. But let's get into the main ingredient of the video, and it is the Nike Dunk Low Patchwork. Alright, these right here retail for $110. They came out on May the 5th on Nike.com and a bunch of other different retailers. I was able to hit on Finish Line, luckily. I got exclusive access on that the day before they came out, so I was lucky enough to get them. But yeah, I see they came out on Nike also. They pretty much sold out everywhere, and like I said, retail for $110. And like I said, I can see why. It's a very nice shoe, very different. All the different colors and textures going on with the shoe makes the shoe completely different. And I see why they call it patchwork, because it got a bunch of different materials going on here. So let's get into the details of the shoe. First, we're gonna start off with the toe, which you got the same white toe. On the toe box, you got the same white leather on the toe box. Then we're gonna get to the front of the toe box. You got this, I would say it's like a suedes material, but it's like a leopard print going on right here on the front of the toe. On the side right here, you got this different texture. I would say the animal, I would say it's like a stingray type material. This is the way a stingray looks, I think, but if not, y'all let me know down in the comments below what animal texture this comes from, but I think it comes from a stingray. Let's get to this Nike check. You got this nice suede light curry Nike check on the side of the shoe right here. Then on behind it, you still got that white leather going on behind in the background. We're gonna come up right here to this nice, I would say it's like a light teal, and it's like a fur material. If you can see, it's a furry material going on right here. Very different, nice touch to the shoe. Also, we're gonna go up to the back of the shoe, back of the heel. You still got that nice suede leather, leopard looking material going on the back of the shoe. On the top right here, you got your Nike in the black, and then you got your, I would say it's like a reddish, like I would go a punch looking leather color going on right here on the back of the shoe. Also, we're gonna flip to this side of the shoe, which you got your purple right here going on, leather coming up the side of the shoelaces. Come with white shoelaces. On the tongue, you got your Nike with your Nike chip right here on the inside of on the top of the tongue. On the inside of the shoe, it just says Nike, as you can see. Very nice touch. And then we're gonna get to the side of the shoe. You got this all white rubber coming around, and then we're gonna go to the bottom of the shoe. You got that all black rubber bottom, which I said, like I said, very nice shoe, very different textures and colors going all throughout the shoe, so that's what makes the shoe stand out. This was the left shoe. Let's get into the right shoe. Looks I wouldn't say completely same way, because some of the textures have switched up, but you do still have that white leather toe box with this leopard going across the toe also. Then you're gonna come into this stingray material right here, like I don't know what kind of material. I would say it's a leather, but those little you can feel the little lumps that they have on the inside of it. But on this one, you got the light teal Nike check and suede going on the side of it, unlike the other one that had the light curry Nike check. And then on this shoe, you got your nice, I would say like hot red looking color coming up the side of the shoelaces, along with the white shoelaces. But as we can see, they do come with some extra laces. They come with black laces, which I think will actually bring the shoe out a little bit more if you switch it to the black laces, unless you want it to be just subtle and all the same color. But I think this black will make the shoe stand out a little bit more. But y'all let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you keep the white shoelaces, or would you go with the black shoelaces? Y'all let me know what y'all think. But then on this shoe right here, you got this nice, I would say this is like a white fur. I'm talking white, sorry, purple fur right here on the eyelid of the shoe, or the tongue tag right here. And which the other shoe had the teal. So that's the difference from them shoes. And as you can see, the checks, one was light curry and then one was light teal. Still got the same leather print going across the back of the shoe. But then on the back of this shoe, you got your Nike and the black threading with the, I would say, light curry leather in the back of the shoe. But then on the back of this shoe, it had the red in the back. So that's the difference of those. And then we turn around to the side. It looks the same way with the same light teal suede Nike check going on right here. And then you still got the same white shoestrings that's in the shoe, but like I said, it came with extra laces. And on the inside, you got your Nike with the Nike check. Then we still got this nice rubber coming across the bottom with your black rubber bottoms. But like I said, all in all, I think this is a very nice shoe, very different. I like the way they changed up the different textures and materials of the shoe. Just make the shoe stand out a little bit. I mean, I know we've been flooded with dunks so far for a while now, but this dunk right here just stands out. Unlike all the other dunks, it's just a pretty same, normal, regular colors they keep bringing out over and over. This one stands out. Like I said, women exclusive. So if you're a woman, you get your normal women's size. If you're a dude, you know, I think y'all size a half size up if y'all go for the women's sizes. So if you like to get these also size a half up, I would say these are true to size. So I got a women's size 8 in these, and they fit just fine because they have a little bit of room. I like in my dunks, I like to have just a little tad bit of room in the toe, just because this leather is not such a good quality, so I don't want my feet to feel all scrunched up. So I usually go with a women's 8 in my dunks, or men's size 6.5. But if I had to go with the size below, I would just go a half a size down, which would be a 7.5. But in these, I went with a size 8, and they fit me just fine. So I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna continue to keep this size. But y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these shoes. Do you like them? Did you try to go for them? Did you pass on them? Let me know what y'all think. Some people saying there's too much going on with it. I mean, I can agree with it. It is a lot going on, but like I said, it's a nice shoe, nice different shoe. It shouldn't be hard to match with. I mean, it got so many colors, so you pretty much can put on any color and you'd be good to go, because you can't go wrong because they got pretty much every color in them. But like I said, a nice shoe. I like them. Retail for $110. You can't go wrong with that. Not bad for a dunk. Yeah, I don't know how the resale is looking on them right now. I don't think it's too bad. So if you wasn't able to catch them for retail, if you're trying to catch them for the resale price, I don't think the price is too high on StockX or GOAT or whatever you use on eBay. I don't think it's too bad right now. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. The Nike Dunk Low Patchwork. Give y'all another 360 of it. And y'all just let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about them. Do you like them or did you pass on them? But yeah, continue to like, subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today, so y'all know how I go. Until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.